Dr. Poop's English Lab.
Small spray.
Delivery.
Too big.
It won't fit.
Aha! I have nice idea. On! Ta-da! Small spray. Leave it to me. Uh-oh, I mistook. Toileton, where are you?
I'm here. Make me big.
Aha! I have nice idea. Eat a lot and grow.
I can't eat that much. Today's English.
真似して言ってみよう。
Too big.
大きすぎ、
Too big. Leave it to me.
僕に任せて、
Leave it to me. Uh-oh, I mistook.
あ、間違えた。
Uh-oh, I mistook. Where are you?
どこにいるの？
Where are you?
I'm here. Make me big.
ここだよ、大きくしてよ。
I'm here. Make me big.
Eat a lot and grow.
いっぱい食べて大きくなろう。
Eat a lot and grow.
Thanks for watching. See you later.